Morning, students. Uh, Let us discuss today the new concept that is known as the series solution of Legendre differential equation. Okay, so this is a very important derivation. So we have the to prove this one, we have to take the Legendre differential equation. So this is the Legendre differential equation. So 1 minus x square into d square y upon dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n minus 1 of y is equal to 0. This is called as the Legendre differential equation. We are finding the solution of this equation. Okay, let us call this as equation 1. The coefficient, you observe here, the coefficient of d square y upon dx square is 1 minus x square. So that is denoted by p naught of x. As we know that that is a p naught of x is 1 minus x square. Substitute the value of x as 0. If you substitute the value of x as 0, it becomes 1. That is p naught of x becomes 1. So if it is become anything, some value, that is p naught of x is not equal to 0, that is you will get a value 1 here. It is not equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, then you are going to apply the power series. If it is equal to 0, if it becomes 0, you are using the Frobenius method, which we already used in the Bessel differential equation. Okay, so first you observe, is it equal to 0 or not equal to 0? At x is equal to 0, then only you can apply the assume the solution. Okay, so therefore we apply the power series method to solve the equation. Okay, if it is not equal to 0, we assume the series solution of 1 as, so if it is a power series solution, we assume the solution like this: y is equal to summation r from 0 to infinity ar x to the power r. Okay, so this is the solution of this differential equation. Let us call this as equation number 2. Okay, then you go on differentiating this one. So 2 times minimum you have to differentiate. Why? Because you are substituting the value of d square y upon dx square dy by dx in this equation. For therefore differentiate this y with respect to x dy by dx. Summation as it is, ar is constant as it is, x to the power r is n into x to the power n minus 1, that is r into x to the power r minus 1. Then again you differentiate this one, d square y upon dx square is equal to summation r from 0 to infinity as it is, ar as it is, r as it is, then x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1, that is minus 1 is already there, it become again minus 1, so it becomes minus 2. So equation, substituting these all values, y dy by dx, d square y by dx square, it is available here. So therefore substituting all these values in equation 1, equation 1 becomes like this. Go on substituting, taking this as it is, substituting the value of this term here. Then similarly minus 2x as it is, substituting the value of dy by dx. Then again n into n minus 1 as it is, substituting the value of y as this term. Okay, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, now let us go further. The next continue part of this is like this, that is summation r from 0 to infinity. Multiply this 1 here, multiply this 1 to hold the term and x square to hold the term. Okay, so you will get like this, ar r into r minus 1 x to the power r minus 2 as it is one term, and when minus x square is there, multiply x square. If it is x square is there, it will eliminate minus 2 and this x square get cancelled, so x to the power r remains. So therefore x to the power r remains here. Okay, minus 2, the next term is here, the next term is having 2x. Okay, so if it is power having 1 here, this one and this x to the power x to the power minus 1 get cancelled, so therefore x to the power r remains. So similarly x to the power r remains, plus n into n minus n into n minus 1. This is not plus, this is minus, this is minus. This is minus. Okay, that. Now we equate the coefficient of various powers of x to 0. As we did in the Bessel differential equation, we have to equate the various powers of x. Okay, what is various powers of? First we have to equate the coefficient of x to the power minus 2. So where it is x to the power minus 2, if you substitute r raised to, that is r value as 0, it becomes x to the power minus 2. So therefore you substitute r to the that is r value as 0, so you will get this one. and remaining terms you cannot take, because you will not get the coefficient of x to the power minus 2. If you substitute r is equal to 0, it becomes x to the power 0 1. Here r is to x to the power 1, x to the power 1 you will get, but you will get only this term having power x to the power minus 2. So therefore you have to take the coefficient. What is the coefficient? This is the coefficient. Similarly, x to the power minus 1, that means you have to replace r as r plus 1. So if you substitute r as r plus 1, you will get the other terms minus 1. Okay, so you will get here. Similarly, coefficient of x to the power minus 2 is this term, that is you are substituting r value as 1, r value as 0. So 0 0 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Then the coefficient is you cannot take, so therefore you got a naught into this, anything is 0. So therefore a naught is equal to, you will get a 0, but you assume that a naught should not be equal to 0, because the first terms will should not be equal to 0. You have to set this one, you have to assume the first value should not be equal to 0. Then coefficient of x to the power minus 1. Okay, then substitute r as 1 here. If you substitute r as 1 minus 2, it become minus 1. You will get the coefficient of x to the power minus 1. So therefore a1 1 into bracket 1 minus 1, it become a 0, so equal to 0. So again it become the first term, a naught is 0, again a1 is becomes a 0. If it is go on doing like this, you will get all the terms as 0. So we are finding the solution of the Legendre difference, a series solution of the Legendre differential equation. If the first two terms are 0, then remaining should be, you can assume as a 0 only, but it will not happen like this. We'll get the solution. So we said this one, a0 and a1 should not be equal to 0. Then let us find the general formula for this above equation. General formula, how to find? Now we shall equate the coefficient of x to the power r, and where it will get x to the power r. Here also x to the power r is there, so minus 2 is there, it should be eliminated. What you have to replace here? You have to replace r as r plus 2 here. So you will get r as r plus 2, r as r plus 2, r as r plus 2, r as r plus 2. If you substitute r plus 2, it become r plus 1, and x to the power r plus this x to the power r remains here. So coefficient of x to the power already it is there, you cannot substitute here, r into r minus 1 as it is. Similarly here also coefficient of this one is 2ar, it become like this, plus the coefficient of x to the power r is, this is the term, okay, is equal to 0. Now you write down these terms as it is and transfer this whole term to that side. So taking ar common, if I transfer this minus, it become plus, it become minus, it is plus, and this become minus, this coefficient ar I have taken as a common. Then ar plus 2 as it is, then keeping this term as it is, transferring to this side. Okay, now what they have did is that they have taken the minus sign outside. If they have taken a minus sign, it become plus n into n plus n minus 1 as it is, then minus r square, this become minus r into r minus r square, then minus, this become minus r, equal to into ar is as it is. Okay, so here become minus r plus 2r, it becomes minus r, so therefore ar as it is. Okay, divided by these two terms, cross multiplied. Let us call this as equation number 3. Now go on substituting the values as r as 0 1 2 3. Okay, substitute r as 0 here. a2 already you got a0 and a1, so let us calculate a2 here. So this is the general formula you got. Substitute 0 1 2 3 in equation 3. So if you substitute this one, you will get a2 here. Substitute n r as 0 0 0, this 0 becomes, this 0 2 remains here, become 1 divided by 2, it becomes minus n into n minus n plus 1. Okay, now go on substituting, you will get like this. Similarly a3, then you should see here a2 is written in a0, a3 is written in a1. Remember, even terms is written in a0, a3, that is all terms is written in a1. Okay, now let us go further. That is a4 is written is, that is even terms is written in here a0, and all terms is written is a1. Substitute this one, you will get this all values. Go through this one and you will get the solution here. Now further, substituting all these values in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is a solution. What is equation number 2? This is an equation number 2. Okay, so this is our solution. In this you substitute all the values of a by expanding this one. Expanding means r is equal to 0, you will get one value. Summation is there. Substituting this r is equal to 1, you will get like this solution. Okay, series. Then since a2 a3 in terms of a0, as I told you, and a3 a5 are in terms of a1, we can rearrange of RHS and we can write here this is a0 and a2 a4. You write it in one form, and remaining odd terms a1 a3 a5 in rearranging this term. Okay, then further you can go like this. Why? As it is substituting all the values and taking a not common. Similarly, substituting all the values, taking a1 as common. Let us call this as equation number 4. Okay, then let ux, you define this one as ux and you define this one as a bracket as vx respectively. The two infinite series in 4. Now you observe here, this is having infinite number of terms, and this in the bracket it is having infinite number of terms. So that we have y is equal to a naught, you define this one as ux, plus a1, you have defined this one as vx, which is a infinite solution. Equation number 5. This is the series solution of Legendre differential equation. Got it? So you go through this derivation, you get to know. Once you, if you write and understand this one, you will get this one. Okay, now the next part is that very important, you will get a definitely one question on important formulas on Legendre polynomials. Your example, you will get express in terms of Legendre polynomials. For that particular example, you have to understand the formulas, you have to remember these formulas. That is p naught of x is defined as 1. Remember, p1 of x is defined as x, p2 of x is defined as, you have to remember, 1 by 2 bracket 3x square minus 1 bracket. P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 35x cube minus 3x. Then p4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 35x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. So these are the important formulas which we are going to use in the examples of Legendre polynomials, expressed in terms of Legendre polynomials. So let us discuss, I will discuss two examples. Similar examples are there. So this is an example recently they have asked last time, that is in December 19, January 20 for 7 marks. Examples on Legendre polynomial. The question will be like this in examination: express x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre polynomials. What do you mean by Legendre polynomials? Means if it is given in polynomial, you have to express in p. That is, p is given as it in the form that is nothing but the Legendre polynomial. P is nothing but they have given this, and you have to express in these terms. So let us go for this example. That is, you have to express this one in terms of Legendre polynomial. You consider this one as a polynomial f of x as x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 as it is. Now to solve this in terms of Legendre polynomial, you need to write down the formula for x cube, x square, x and constant. Now how to write down these all values? Now you observe, whatever I have taken in the formula, you have to write down. P naught is required here because constant term is there. P1 is also required, x is there, x square is there. For x square, if you have to take this one as p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 3x square minus 1, and p3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 35x cube minus 3x. Why we are taking these only formulas except fourth one? Because up to x cube they have asked, so therefore we have to take here x cube up to p3 of x. Okay, so after this one, don't take this, and from this equation you write down the x square. Let us how to write down the x square. I will tell you by taking a expression like this. Okay, now see here what they have given. They have given that is p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 3x square minus 1. Okay, what you have to do is that ये 2 मिनट ठहरो जी।
वीडियो